Les hago la invitación acá que nos visiten a la ciudad de Baños, que es muy hermoso, tiene unos lugares muy hermosos, lugares turísticos, las cascadas, la iglesia, las piscinas, las aguas termales.
¿Qué es la especialidad de Banos?
La especialidad de Baños es el caldo de gallina y el cuy, el papas con cuy.
¿Y la especialidad turística para ver en Banos?
Las cascadas, la iglesia, las termas.
Y cuéntame rápido de Río Negro.
Río Negro, lo más atractivo es la belleza natural que tiene, la naturaleza, y hay unos lugares también de las orquídeas, son muy hermosas también y muy llamativas, y hay lugares hermosos allá en Río Negro.
¿Y qué es el nombre de este lugar, tu restaurante?
El restaurante se llama La Sazón Baneña. Les espero, bienvenidos a la orden para servirles en...
¿La dirección es dónde? ¿Enfrente del terminal? ¿Cómo
Sí,
es?
frente a la terminal en la avenida Amazonas.
¿El nombre otra vez?
La Sazón Baneña.
¿Y tu nombre?
Mi nombre es Rosa Iturralde.
Gracias, Rosaito.
Rosa Iturralde.
Rosa Tural. Muchas gracias, Rosa. Muy amable. All right, everybody. We are in Banos, just chilling out, having a nice coffee early in the morning. It's like 6 in the morning here. Beautiful Banos. We are in Banos, Ecuador. Check it out. Beautiful mountains, Mother Nature at its best. Just chilling out, having a coffee, something to eat and drink. Nice restaurant. Check out the mountains. This is the main terminal. From here you can go to Guayaquil, Cuenca, Quito, Riobamba, Ambato. Very beautiful. Check it out. Mother Nature at its best. Banos, deep South America, Ecuador. This is Louis here from Washington, D.C. Hope you're enjoying, everyone. Yeah, I was in Colombia for 1 year. Had a great time, amazing time as always in Colombia, South America. It was just time to move on. I was getting a little bored. Definitely getting kind of bored in Colombia. It's just time to move on. Doing exciting adventures. And we are now in Banos, Ecuador. There you go. And from Colombia, took a flight via Copa to Panama, stayed in Panama a week. From Panama, took a flight to Guayaquil, Ecuador. Started in Guayaquil, Ecuador. Guayaquil about 10 days. Then Guayaquil to Cuenca. Cuenca about a week. Beautiful Cuenca, absolutely spectacular. So historical. It's a UNESCO heritage site, Cuenca. And then from Cuenca, I went to Riobamba. We were staying in Riobamba for about 4 days. Riobamba, hardcore, real indigenous culture. And from Riobamba, went here to Banos. Everything is about a 5-6 hour bus trip, intervals. And then from here, you can head towards Ambato. Ambato is about 2 hours by bus, and that's very beautiful. I've done this South American route many times over. Nothing new to me, but yeah, always new and exciting adventures traveling through South America. Hope you're enjoying, everyone. Louis here, Washington, D.C. Live life to the full.